Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It's Saturday, which means the boys are home, so you're probably going to hear them in the background. They're just down in their bedroom playing with Legos or something, but we're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us on Saturday today.
Hey guys, all right, we're starting in box AZ today. Okay. I sold these Vans, like loafer boat shoe things. If you watched our recent haul video, I mentioned the Goodwill did not have these priced. And when I went up to the register, they gave them to me for $4.99, which is awesome. And I just thought they would sell around 30 bucks. But when I went to look up comps, I've sold many Vans, but none like this style before. So I don't always look up comps on things that I sell over and over and over. But because I'd never sold these, I looked them up. And for some reason, these were going for a decent amount. So I listed mine at like, well, they sold for my list price, which was $49.88 plus shipping, but they sold in like a day or two, which makes me feel like I probably could have even got more.
Yeah.
The only ones like really listed were like new, but they were like for $100 or something. But some of the solds were about what I listed mine for, so I'm happy with that. $5 and $50 in a day.
Yeah.
Plus shipping, so
who can be mad at
not
that?
bad at all. Those are going out in a shoebox. And then shoe shelf. These are just a pair of Asics. These are the GT1000. They're in really good shape, but what's crazy about these is they sold through global shipping. So when I got the notification on my phone, at first I was confused because if you sell on eBay, you know, like you get two notifications for a sale. One is just like somebody bought your item, and then one is like somebody paid for your item.
Yeah.
So I knew that like Asics I usually sell between $30 to like $50 plus shipping. So these, it said sold for $41.88, but then like the payment said $94 something. And I was like, what? Then I was like, oh, it must be global shipping, which it was. So that's crazy.
Somebody paid almost $100.
Yeah, so for these they paid $41.88 plus $9.99 shipping. And then they must have paid like another
that's nuts
$40 in shipping to get them. I didn't check where they're going, but
I'll check and then I'll put it here just for curiosity, because
interesting.
A lot of people don't like global shipping just because it is so expensive to the buyer, but it is so easy for the seller. Like, it doesn't take any extra work. We're shipping to Kentucky, and then eBay takes it from there, and that's why it's expensive. But we haven't really felt the need to get into doing our own kind of international shipping yet. We'll probably get there someday, but you know, we're still kind of beginners at eBay. I mean, we've been doing it for what, almost
year or two?
Yeah, year and a half, 2 years, and we still have a lot to learn when it comes to eBay.
I don't even like understand all the data stuff on the like overview page and stuff, but yeah, so we'll learn about all that, and then we'll maybe go into international shipping. So another funny thing about these is, I know in the haul video I was mentioning about the pink shoes that I'm selling, that they were size 11.5 men's, and I've never sold 11.5 men's. These are size 11.5 men's, so thought that was funny. So I guess 11.5 men's sells.
Now you've sold an 11.5.
Haven't been listed too long. I don't know exactly, but I think maybe 30 days or so. So very happy with that sale, and I only had $8.96 into the shoes.
Very nice.
So then box BI. Sold the other one of those Howler Brothers shirts. Howler Bros.
Howler Bros.
Pearl Snap shirts. I have $15 into it. This one, someone asked if I'd take $47. I think I sent him an offer of $50 like a week ago. He did not accept, and the message today. So I was happy with $47 still. 15 into $47 plus shipping in just a couple weeks, and that will just go out. eBay mailer. Alrighty, and then box CH. Pretty sure it's these ones. Trying to make out the size.
Do we have more than one of those, or what?
I just have a lot of SAS loafers that are similar, so I assume they're probably not in the same box, but I'll double check these before I bag them up. But these are just some SAS loafers. I have $4.99 into them from Goodwill. Sold them for $20 plus shipping on Facebook. So those did take a while to sell. This brand, I still buy it if it's cheap. Some styles do better than others.
Yeah.
Typical loafers like this, they used to go for like 30 or so. Now it's more like 20. But if I can get them for 5, I'll still pick them up. They're usually almost in perfect condition. Like, I know you can buy these kind of shoes with like Medicare benefits and stuff. So I wonder if a lot of people do. Just to use their benefits and then wear them a couple times and either just don't like them or I don't know. But I find them a lot and they're always in perfect shape.
They do always seem to be in really good shape.
That's my take. If you have a different take, let me know. What's another? There's another pair of shoes that, those Comfort. Those are always in great shape.
Oh, are those from Medicare benefits too?
I don't think so. So it's funny that
they're just always in good condition.
Perfect condition. So yeah, that's that one. And then box AR.
How you doing, Reese? How you doing? Good boy.
This is just a Harry Potter t-shirt. It has all the houses on it. I bought this for my son off Kidizen. I only paid $8 for it and then decided he probably wasn't ever going to wear it. So I relisted it and I sold it on Facebook for $12 plus ship. So I made like $2 profit. But I was just happy to make my money back. We'll send that out in a fall mailer. Alrighty, and then AD. Sold another pair of the bogs. These have been selling great now that people are shopping for winter.
Yeah.
So, like my play sandals, you can see I sold a lot over the summer, but I still have quite a bit left. I do think all my bogs.
Right there. All those shoe boxes.
It seems like a lot, but it's probably less than half of where I started.
We've sold more than half,
But I think all these bogs that I have, which was a lot, are probably all going to sell by the end of winter. So, again, this pair sold for $35 plus ship. That's what they've been selling for. On Facebook, people do keep messaging me to take less, but right now I'm saying no because they're selling.
Yeah.
Winter is barely even, obviously winter hasn't started, but
winter shopping.
Some people have started, but most people don't buy until they're like, oh crap, we get the first snowfall. I got to get my kids some boots.
Right.
So I know that they're going to sell. So I just keep saying no when people ask for less. These retail for $65 plus, well, not plus shipping, but on the Bogs website, these exact boots are $65. So I'm already selling them $30 off of new, and people are still asking for less. So I'm just saying no. I even sell used ones for around $35 bucks. So
it's already a killer deal.
Easy, I gotta move your booty. I gotta move your booty.
Just gotta give him a tummy rub. He'll be okay.
Good boy.
Reese, our viewers are gonna think you're sick or something, Bubba. Are you okay?
Where's your ball? Where is it?
Oh,
get it.
You gonna go get your ball?
Go get it. Go play. Go get it.
Reese is a lot more active during the day than
He does sleep a lot, but he is playful and fun. So these are those Judy blue jeans that were from our recent haul video. They sold really fast. Did they sell? Yeah, they did sell on Mercari. They were getting a ton of interest on Mercari. I think they had 8, 9, 10 likers in the first couple days they were listed. So I have an average cost of goods of $11.77 into them, and they sold for $42 plus shipping. I did have a message on Facebook asking if I do $35 free ship, and I just ignored that message. So I knew that they would sell fast because it was getting so much interest. Those are going FedEx Smart Post. So
poly mailer, you think?
Yeah, I'll probably just do a mailer since that's just the easiest thing.
I just opened up the window for this guy. You good boy.
Grab a mailer for those bogs. What should we do for the bogs? Let's do one of these. I haven't used one of these in a while. All right,
so yeah, she got that mailer for each of those.
Box BP. Alright, These are some Keen. Just shoes. I don't know what I want to call them. They're just like a leather sneaker. I've sold these several times, this style, and it usually sells $30 to $40 plus shipping. These were in really good shape, and they're a women's 10, which is a great size. They've only been listed a few days. I did accept a $32 offer, but I only had $8.99 into them, so still a good sale. Those are also going out FedEx Smart Post. We did get our new eBay boxes, so probably gonna do one of those. I think this one should work. Yeah, I think so.
Yep.
So. I did have a story about those shoes. So, like, I want to show you. So I had someone, so these sold on Mercari, but before they sold on Mercari, someone on eBay messaged me about them. So generally a W on the shoe sizing is going to mean a wide width. Mm-hmm. So, but on Keens, I've noticed, like you can see the W right there. I don't know if it's clear enough, but
yep.
So the person was asking if they were wide width, and I just said, I'm honestly not too sure. I did see the W when I was listing, but I see that W all the time in Keens, and I don't think it means wide because I have some men's for sale that have an M right there, and I have some youth that have a Y right there. So I know Keen barely makes wide as it is. Like, they do have a few styles that come in wide, but it's very few. And I think when it's wide on Keen, they write out the full word wide. That's what I've seen. So I'm honestly not sure. It could be wide. Anyways, so I just told her, I'm not sure. I think that just is referring to these being a women's shoe because other shoes that I have listed have M or Y depending on what kind of shoe it is. And then she just wrote back with her winky face saying she thinks that they are wide because she just messaged with Keen and asked if a W means wide, which generally a W does mean wide. So I honestly still don't really know, but because of the other shoes that I have that have something in that exact same spot, I do think that means women. So I honestly don't know. So if you know, let me know. I didn't list them as wide. The person that bought them on Mercari hopefully doesn't have any issues with them, but they do seem slightly wide. But when I Googled it, it just said Keen styles tend to run wider than a normal shoe width anyways. So.
Well, and are women's wide measurements different? Because men's are like E.
Right.
E,
there is
E. It's all a bunch of E's and stuff. At least the super wide ones. I think there's. So it's different with the women's
and stuff.
Right.
So it's definitely different. I just don't think these specific ones are wide.
Just the normal.
No, for sure.
Running wide that Keens do.
No, I'm paranoid about it. So, anyways, I did feel slightly annoyed about the message, asking, but then telling me well, I already messaged with Keen, and why are you asking them?
Yeah.
It just was strange.
Yeah.
So. Anyhow.
Right. If you're so sure, why'd you have to ask?
I'm kind of glad that person didn't buy it because that seems like a headache.
Yeah, waiting to happen.
So, all right. That's trash now. All right, box BA. Hopefully, Reese. I don't have to move.
He moved a little bit. He laid back down.
These are just some Michael by Michael Kors, so the lower end line of Michael Kors. I almost never sell Michael Kors. I only bought these because they were $4.99. They were just a nice boot. They took a while to sell, but they sold for full list price $37. So it was a good sale. I realized they weren't cross-posted when I went to delist them, so probably could have sold a lot sooner, but happy with the sale. Those are Poshmark, so they will just probably, I feel like they might. You think they'll fit in the shoebox or no? I feel like they might.
Poshmark? I mean, that would probably be a good
13 by 13.
regional B, I think.
Oh, right. Why do I always forget about that?
I don't know. It's one of my favorite boxes.
I don't think we have any here, but we probably should go grab some from our stock down in the garage. So, all right, and then box AY. These took a while to sell. I always pick these up though just because they do sell. It's just a Columbia fleece bunting. Sold for $18 with discount shipping, so the buyer accepted the Poshmark VA offer. I did pay $5 for this at a JBS sale, so it's only like a $7.50 profit. I'm okay with that. I'll probably do a little regional A box for that one. And last but not least, another bra sold. I think it's this one, because this is the only color like this. Memory foam. 38.
Well, I do see two other bras, but those are not listed, right? Okay.
So it is the correct size and type. So
Good.
This one's sold on Mercari for my list price, which was $30 plus shipping. So 0 into 30 plus shipping. Not bad. That'll just go out in one of our little eBay square boxes. And we're done.
And we're done. We do still put those in these cellophane bags, and we put a little like air pillow in between the cups just to kind of help keep its shape, but that's what we're gonna do there. So we're gonna get this stuff all packed up. Reese, don't move a muscle, okay? We'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go. Reese moved and now he's just like munching on his toes. It's funny, Reese does not let me cut his nails, but he grooms them himself.
Yeah, they've never got to.
He does not let me cut them though. He just likes to chew them. And when we had other dogs, he would always try to eat their toenails. Reese is a weird dog, guys. I don't know why you like him so much. Why do you like this guy so much?
He's sweet. He is the sweetest guy.
He is.
He also does not bark.
No.
He does not bark. It's weird.
No.
But I like it because I don't like barking dogs.
Anyway, guys, got it all packed up, ready to go. It is Saturday, and we're gonna get the house cleaned up and stuff. We got to get caught up on a lot of housework that we've been putting off. I'm sure anybody who resells part-time or full-time can relate to that. Sometimes it's hard to peel yourself away from the business to do some of the stuff that needs to be done, but that's what we're going to be doing today. Saturdays we normally are able to take our stuff to our post office that's close by, but they close at 11:30 and it is
11:35.
11:35. So we're gonna have to drive a little bit further. I think Kathy's gonna go out and spend a little time alone and get some coffee and maybe do some listings or something. But I don't know. I think
Just a coffee. I'm gonna help clean the house too.
you can go. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna get this stuff off to the post office, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.